I moved out of the United States of America 6 years ago, but here's why I'm proud to be an American, and more importantly, something that a lot of people get wrong about America. Most people get this idea of America wrong from the perspective of they apply a lens, a filter on reality over the entire United States. So they'll see something bad that happens on the news, or they'll see that there's a lot of left-leaning types of people in America, and they'll just put that lens over the entirety of America, and that's quite stupid. And the reason it's stupid, and one of my most recent commenters on a previous video made a good point, is how massive the United States of America is. This is something I super like about it, because as an example, let's say that you live in Italy and you don't really like what's going on, but the whole country basically believes in this type of rhetoric. Well, guess what? The only thing you could do is move outside of Italy. That's why you see a lot of people going from the UK and moving to Dubai, because they're like, well, there's nowhere else I can go in my own country, so I need to leave my country. And that lens does not apply to the United States of America. The United States of America is basically like all of Europe combined and more. There's like 330 million people, tons and tons of space, and each state is essentially its own country. Now, of course, we all follow the same basic guidelines. We have the Constitution and all of that, but let's say that you live in the city of Chicago, which who would want to live in Chicago? Anyways, if you don't like what's going on in Chicago, the crime, whatever, the people that are in power there, guess what? You pack your bags and you move to Texas, or you move to Nevada, or you move to Florida. And that's the equivalent of moving abroad. So the people that are anti-US are very small-minded, and either, number one, most of the time, not even American, they're just jealous because they want to live there, or two, they don't know what they're talking about. Because whether it's taxes, whether it's the types of ideologies that are pushed, whether it's the safety, whatever it is, anything that people talk bad about the US, I can guarantee they're basing that off of either something they read on social media, or two, they're basing it off of whatever city they actually live in. So something I super like about the United States of America is that it basically has anything that you want. So anything that you can get abroad from a lifestyle, whatever, you can find it in one of the states. So what I want you to take away from this video is keep in mind that the United States of America is a massive, massive country. However, I still hold true to my belief that I like living abroad more. If you follow me on Instagram at Madden, obviously you stay up to date on all the travels and everything I'm doing, although traveling these days kind of just lost the incentive to do it. It's kind of just annoying. So I primarily stay between two countries. And the reason I chose these countries, as I said in the previous videos, it's very important to find a place that you can make home. You don't want to be that guy that's in his late 30s or late 20s, and he's constantly bouncing around to different countries, stays there for a month, goes here for a month, goes here for a week. Like, it just gets old very quickly. And at the end of the day, you want to find a place that you can build roots, that you can build a home. So if you want to learn more about that, go watch my most recent video, because I break down the entire principle and science behind moving abroad and building a life abroad.